majana ena ke kgaso ya ditaba tsa Sesotho tseo re utlisetsang tsona re le Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Re lekole dihloho tsa tsona.
There are many who share our commitment to the just cause of the people of Palestine.
Letona Naledi Pando o ipiletsa ho Israele ho qoba ka hohle hore ho be le dipolao tsa bongata nakong ena eo Rwanda e ketekang dilemo tse 30 tsa sehopotso sa polao ya batho ba bangata ka Sontaha.
Re be re kgopela batho ba bathala from management ba tle mo campusing ba tlo fixa di issue tsa bona.
Baithuti ba college ya Waterberg ba ipiletsa ho lefapha la thuto hore le kenelle tabeng ya ho silifshwe ha bona ha NSFAS.
We've been in this situation before, and hopefully that's the experience we can use. We've been in this situation where we've had a first leg 0-0.
Dipapading, Mamelodi Sundowns ina le kgatello ya papadi kgahlanong le Young Africans le tong la bobedi phirimaneng ina Pretoria. ANC e kanne hore e tlo tswela pele ho sehetsa baahi ba Palestina sena se hlaelletse nakong eo mokga o neng o fana ka tokomane ya disepiso tsa yona tse ka sehlohong tse tshiletseng tse tlo nolofatsa maphelo a maAfrika Borwa. Letona la matjhaba mme Naledi Pando o re ho bohlokwa ho lwanela kgotso lefatsheng.
Letona la dikamano tsa matjhaba Naledi Pando o ipileditse hore ho be le ditherisano tse tla beha kgatello ho Israele hore e emise ka dipolao tsa batho ba bangata.
There are many who share our commitment to the just cause of the people of Palestine. So I'm sure those who support that cause cannot vote for a party that wouldn't or that does not.
Letona le re ba batla ho be le dipuisano pakeng tsa Russia le Ukraine ho fedisa tsitsipano e renang. Ore Afrika Borwa e isitse masole a yona DRC ho ilontshetsa pele merero ya poloko ya kgotso. Letona Pando le re mo presidente Cyril Ramaphosa o tla ya tshebeletsong ya sehopotso sa dipolao tsa batho ba bangata Rwanda ka Sontaha.
Countries can decide what it is they commemorate, just as we on March 21 commemorate the events of Sharpeville, so must the world commemorate other tragic events that they have experienced.
Mokga o busang ore o tla sebeletsa hore o be le kgotso le ho fedisa dipolao kontinenteng.
Mopresidente wa ACDP Moruti Kenneth Mishwe o tshepisitse baahi ba dibaka tse ka leboya la Gqeberha Eastern Cape hore o tla hlaola ditlolo tsa molao le ho tsitlallela bohlweki.
Moruti Mishwe o re ACDP e tlo rarolla diphephetso tsa moruo wa kahisano tse qadileng ho thefula naha ena ho tloha ka 1994.
When you have a political party such as the ACDP that has a very strong arm to use against criminals. Criminals in South Africa and in Gqeberha are running amok. They are causing people to live in fear because they are not afraid of punishment.
Batshehetsi ba mokga ba re ACDP ina le bokgoni ba kaho ya malapa bo qadileng ka 1993 mme mokga o ntse o tswela pele wa matla le ho feta.
I'm voting ACDP because why I see there's a future, not only a future, but there's a clear-cut future when it comes to education, when it comes to addressing the crime violence that we are currently experiencing in this place.
The policies of the ACDP, they talk within family values. So now they're bringing back that family structure where the family is the important part of the community. So now if you get that family structure for the community, that's where now the children aren't going to go away to go to drugs.
Moruti Mishwe o re o tlo etela diprovinsi tsohle tse robong ho hasa molaetsa wa tshepo ka ho qoleha ho batho ba feletsweng ke tshepo ya ho kgetha.
Nkgetheng wa botonakgolo wa Action SA Western Cape Angela Sobey o eteletse pele boipilaetso ntlokgolong ya sepolesa sa naha Cape Town moo ba llang ka kgaello ya disebediswa ho thusa mahlatsipa a diketso tsa dikgoka kgahlanong le basadi le bana.
We cannot not add our voices, and we cannot not amplify this issue around gender-based violence and femicide, not when somebody is murdered and somebody is raped every couple of minutes in this country. We, as Action SA, are amplifying this voice, and we are saying that enough is enough. We want to know what has been done. There have been marches. There have been memoranda of understanding.
This is directed to the Minister of Police, Minister Pegitele, to say that you need to capacitate the police so that they're able to do their work as well. And that is something that we're very big on as Action SA, and we plan to implement these kinds of policies when we come into government, right post the 29th of May, which we're very excited about. But that is what we want. We want police visibility in our communities where women are being slaughtered on a daily basis, where women are being raped at least every 3 hours.
EFF e pileditse ho IEC ho kena letsholong la ho ruta bakgethi ka dikgetho ho netefatsa hore ma-Afrika Borwa ha a lahlehelwe ke monyetla wa ho vouta.
EFF e kopana mafelong ana a beke ho lekola letsholo la yona la ho ngoka tshehetso. Mokga ona o moholo wa boraro wa bohanyetsi parlamenteng o re thuto ya dikgetho ya hlokeha pele ho dikgetho tse akaretsang tsa naha. O re lekgetlong lena bakgethi ba tla tsebiswa pampiri ya boraro ya dikgetho.
If the voter education is not properly conducted, it is going to lead to a lot of spoiled ballots, or a lot of people who will make a lot of mistakes. Particularly when you've got a ballot paper with 2 pages and then with 3 ballots as well, they will not know just what is expected. So we need to intensify voter education, all of us, but the IEC must take the lead in terms of conducting voter education.
Mokga o ile wa boela wa bua ka ho tshwarwa a motsamaisi wa mehleng wa dipuisano parlamenteng no Severe Maphisang Ngakula.
Actually long overdue. She should have been held accountable long time ago, because the affidavit that led to her arrest was written and produced in 2021. She should have been held accountable long time ago. And we're aware that the sitting head of state was trying by all means to prevent her ultimate and inevitable arrest. Should have been held accountable long time ago.
EFF e re ha o makatse ka ha bona ke boitshwaro ba matona a ANC.
One thing which South Africa must know is that what Nosiviwe has been doing of taking bribes from service providers is all what all ANC ministers are doing. There's not a single minister of the ANC who is not collecting bribes from these people. It's just that they have not yet been uncovered. That is their modus operandi. They operate like that everywhere. Whenever they service providers, they go and collect money in the name of the organization.
Ka dikgetho tse akaretsang tsa naha di ntse di atamela ka potlako ma-Afrika Borwa a na le nako e ka tlasa dikgwedi tse 2 ho etsa qeto ya hore na a tla kgetha mang.
Ka mora mabenkele re tla utlwa ka nyewe ya John Block le baqusua mmoho le yena ba hlahiletseng lekgotleng la dinyewe la Kimberley kajeno. Mmuso o tlile go tlisetsa mafokisi a behileng meja fatshe ho tla thusetsa ka botlokotsebe bo jileng setsi Jukulina Soshanguve.
Baagi ba Jukulane ba tsibogetse taletso ya go ikgolaganya le baeteledipele ba sepodisi ka makatla a namane. Seno ya ka ntlha fa ba lebagane le kgwetlho ya bosenyi e akaretsa dipetelelo, dipolao le dikgothoso gareng ga tse dingwe.
The level of crime in Jukulane it's very high. It's very high. Jukulane is very dangerous. In all the places and locations in townships that are based in Pretoria, Jukulane is the high ranking and the #1 dangerous place.
Bana ba bang ba rutehile aba kre mebereko and then ba ira crime.
Go latela dikgothoso tseo ba tswa setlhabelo ba neng ba tsiediwa ka dipapatso tsa mo mafaratlhatlheng a Facebook go ile go tlhamiwa setlamo sa online robbery combat team ka go dirisana le Tshwane Metro Police setlamo se se kgonne go tshwara babelaelwa ba 82 go fitlhela dijanaga di 42 tse di neng di thapilwe ka dikgoka le go ka kgona go tlosa mo mebileng ditlhobolo di 56 tse seng mo molaong. Motlatsa tona wa sepodisi Castle Mathale a re ba tlile go busa babatlisisi bao ba neng ba rotseng tiro.
We started this program last year to recruit retired detectives to come and assist us to deal with this backlog. And I think it's a matter that we will ultimately be able to resolve, because you have one officer having to deal with a lot of dockets, and there's no human being who can be able to deal with 100 dockets alone, and you can effectively provide the required service.
Mathale a re go ne go se phoso go thuntsiwa ga babelaelwa ke maphodisi kwa Mpumalanga le KwaZulu-Natal mo sešeng.
Once somebody is arrested, is apprehended, or they surrender, those people must be arrested and go and face the consequences. But if you draw a gun and expect us to draw a pen, it is not going to happen. We will respond in kind and appropriately to that situation.
Mathale o ne gape a ganetsa gore kopano ya gompieno ke karolo ya lenaane la go lopa batlhophi. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Jugulane mo Soshanguve.
Ho ruta le ho ithuta ho sitisitswe College ya Waterberg TVET e Mokopane Limpopo. Sena se latela boipiletso ba baithuti ka ho selefshwe ha NSFAS ho tloha mathasong a selemo.
Baithuti bao ba fifetšego go tswa dikholetšheng tše pedi tša Waterberg ka Mokopane ba ikgašitše mebileng go tsweletša dingongorego tša bona. Ba re bontši ba baithuti ga sa hlo ba hwetša mašeleng a dijo, dipuku le rente go tswa go NSFAS. Ba re go tloga mola ngwaga go thoma ga sa ka ba hwetša ge ka ba sente ya lešedi. Ba ipeletša gape ka moa ba ditirelo moso wa mašeleng wa NSFAS o wa bitšwa go patala. Ba re go tloga mola moa ba ditirelo wa thwalwa mašeleng a bona no nyamalla ka mokgwa o sa tsebiego.
Go na le bana ba bangwe ba ile reng ba dula dirumong ba dependile mo tšheleteng ya NSFAS, not a ba kry tšhelete from the parents tša bona. So go ba boima for bona le gore ba ka ba le access ya gore ba ka kry tšhelete.
La ka NSFAS re mo ditlaešegong because of le ma student ba nyaka management o nyaka re tle sekolong re tle re attend, and re tle sekolong re tle re ngwale di-test tšeo le goreng esentšhe re kgomane ditšhelete tša rena.
Moemedi wa baithuti o reng ke kgale ba leka go boledišana le bolaodi ba NSFAS le college e fela ga sa ka ba sekegela tsebe.
Le be re kgopela batho ba bathala from management ba tle mo campuseng ba tlo fixa di-issue tša bona.
Go le bjalong baithuti ba re ba tlo tswela pele ka magato a boipelaetšo go fihlela dilo tša bona di rarollwa. Ba ipeleditše gape go kgoro ya godimo ya thuto le NSFAS gore e tsenye letsogo. Ge le bolaodi ba NSFAS le college ga sa hlo bontšha maikutlo. Ke Mahlatse Phalading, ditabeng tša SABC Mokopane.
Modulasetulo wa mehleng wa ANC ya lokolotsweng ka parola Northern Cape, John Blocker, le baqosuwa mmoho le ena ba hlahelletse lekgotleng la magistrata Kimberley kajeno.
Boraro baqosuwa ba tobane le diqoso tse agang ka hare boqhekanyetse le bobodu. Ba boetse ba qoswa ka ho fumana le ho boloka tjhelete ka bolotsana ba pata mohlodi wa yona le tlolo ya molao wa tsamaiso ya ditjhelete tsa setjhaba. Nyewe ena e mabapi le kaho ya sepetlele sa mahloko a kelello Kimberley ka 2003. Ho ya ka bopaki ba lekala la naha la botjhotjhisi, Babereki Consulting Engineers ile ya abelwa kontraka ka tsela e sa nepahalang kahong ya sepetlele sena. Bohle baqosuwa ba ntse ba lokolotswe ka beili, mme ba tla boela ba tla kgotla ka kgwedi ya Phupjane. Thabiso Khadebe, ditaba tsa SABC Kimberley.
Balelapa la ngwanana ya dilemo tse 13 wa primary ewa ho tlalehwang ha bitilwe ke bashanyana ba bane ba secondary Mahikeng Northwest ba re ketsahalo ena e thefutse ngwana maikutlo.
Lelapa le akanya go batlela ngwana o bona sekolo se sengwe ka tsholofelo ya gore go tsena sekolo se sengwe go ka mo thusa go lebala se se mo diragaletseng.
At least ya change sekolo la ha ka ska lebala se se lebala mare ke nagana o ka nna betere.
Ba lelapa ba pega mapodisi molato ka mokgwa o ba tshwereng kgetsi eno ka teng. ba re setlhopha sa mapodisi a le 10 se gorogile kwa lelapeng la bona go tla go boltsolosa ngwana wa bona ka tiragalo e mo diragaletseng.
Nna go ya ka nna ke nagana gore mapodisa ba nagana gore ngwana wa ka ga a rapiwa ene go na le proof ya gore ngwana o rapile.
Mapodisi mo Northwest ba re ga ba itse sepe ka ga seno.
Re ka netefatsa gore dipatlisiso mo kgetseng e di tsweletse pele le gore ka se sebaka rona ga re itse sepe ka kganya gore ngwana o botsoloditswe ke mapodisa ba feta 10 kgotsa ba 10.
Lefapha la Thuto mo Northwest la re ga ise le nne le ditumalano le ba lelapa ka go batlela ngwana sekolo se sengwe.
As the department, we will welcome any decision taken by parents so that they get comfort and assurity of their child's safety.
Tsholofelo Mogami wa dikgang tsa SABC Mahikeng.
Komishini ya ditokelo tsa botho Northwest e tshoseditse ka le renga itlilong ka mehato e qobellang masepala wa ngaka modiri Molema ka ho kenya tshebetsong ditshisinyo tsa yona. Sena se latela hore ditho tsa DA le baahi ba bang ba Saninhof ba tlalehe kapa ba tletlebe ka maemo ao ba phelang tlasa ona masepaleng ona.
Thebolo ya metsi bokoa thata mo Saninhof ebile sewage e elela mo mebileng. Diphitlhelelo tsa komishene e nnile gape le gore mmasepala wa Sedika ga o tlamele baagi ka ditirelo tsa kgelelo leswe. Baagi ba dirisa moago ono jaaka ntlwana boithusetso.
Re tlhoka dithoalete, re dula mekhukhung, re tlhoka metsi.
Ga di soreše di thubegile, pula di nele, metsi a tlala mo around the area and bana ba tshamekela mo gona.
Komishene ya ditshwanelo tsa botho ya re masepala ono o retelelwa ke go tsenya tirisong dikatlanegiso tsa yona.
We have several engagements with the municipality requesting them to respond, and they have simply refused to respond. And also last year we also subpoenaed the municipality in connection with another pending investigation to appear before the commission. They made undertakings during that subpoena hearing, and they have failed to comply with those undertakings despite us once more following up with them.
Le fa go le jalo, masepala o ganetsa gore ga ba dirisane le komishene le gore seemo sa ditirelo se etegetse.
Mo boemong ba ngaka modiri Molema re utlwa dingongora tsa Human Rights Commission tsa gore ga gona tirisano mmogo. Mme mo boemong ba khansele ya masepala o ke ganele gore re itse ka go tlhoka tirisano mmogo. Ka gongwe Human Rights Commission ba ra botsamaisi ba rona ba masepala le rona re le masepala re na le dikgwetlho tsa tlhaelo ya bokgoni tsa tlhaelo ya madi. Yaano re dirang ka dilo tse ke gore re ne ra ikuela kwa go ministera gore a tle gore go tsereganya ka gore thusa.
Ditebogo Phakedi wa dikgang tsa SABC mo Sanishof.
Jwale ha re bone hore mebaraka e sebeditse jwang ha JSE ne kwala horeng ya bohlano. Khaso ena ya ditaba e fella mona. Kopana le moifo wa ditaba tsa Setswana hosane ka hora ya botsilela thapama. Bulipi bo ya latela. Iketile.